How to measure the spiritual growth? And this is a very significant question. And there is a beautiful story through which we all can understand that how to measure the spiritual growth within you. There were two disciples who came to a master. They wanted to attain truth. The master gave each of them a bird and told them, "Go to a place where nobody is watching you and kill the bird." The first disciple went just outside the house. There was nobody around. It was a hot afternoon and nobody was on the road. He killed the bird and came back. But the second disciple did not turn up for 3 years. The master waited, and the master continued to wait. The master waited and waited, and after 3 years, the second disciple came with the bird and said, "I could not find a place where God was not the witness. I have tried all kinds of places where there was nobody watching. I went into deep, dark caves where even if somebody was there, he could not have seen it. But everywhere he was watching me from inside me. So I closed my eyes, but then God was watching from inside the door. In these 3 years, I have tried all that was humanly possible, but I am sorry, I cannot fulfill the mission. I cannot kill the bird." The master was very happy and he said, "You are accepted and the first is rejected. You have found the very secret of meditation. Always live like this, aware and conscious of this witness, and God will become available to you. He is available." What a beautiful story. Your spiritual progress is based on the state of your consciousness. The consciousness of the second disciple would not allow him to kill the innocent bird. He took the bird to every possible place where no one could see him killing this bird, but his consciousness was so alive that he simply couldn't kill the dove. That consciousness had come from the sense of righteousness, and that sense of righteousness had come from his faith in God. How could he kill a living being a living human being himself? That thought, that spirit of oneness had prevented him from killing the dove. If there is anything that matters, it is the thing inside you and not the outside. You may hide from the entire world or universe, but you can never hide from God, the Almighty. Turn inwards, focus on your inside. The moment you start becoming conscious of your actions, the outside world would start looking more beautiful, more blissful. This is how it happens. This is the way of its happening. Always remember, paradise is not a place, it is a state of consciousness. Meditate and work towards expanding your consciousness. focus on expanding your consciousness. Meditate.